Alright, I welcome you to Box Fan Cold Starts 2021. So yeah, we're gonna start here with the shop fan, the Kmart P23, starting on low. Pretty sluggish at the moment, but it's starting to speed up a little bit. We'll go up to medium. It's starting to speed up now. And finally high. Alright, next one is this little Kmart K10 fan. Another one of the shop fans. So here is on. Just a single speed, so there's no lower hot medium. Since I already have this one sitting here, I might as well do it. This is a Lakewood 202. See how well newer fans do this. No, it has a little bit higher RPMs than this normally. But we'll go up to medium. And high. Alright, here we have a Galaxy by Lasko 3723. Started on low. Okay, that sounds pretty cool. Go up to medium. And finally high. You can definitely tell that motor's cold because it's humming quite a bit. And just for an added bonus on this one, this is the Galaxy again. There's a startup sound on low again. I like that. That sounds really cool. Sounds like those plastic motored ones. It's starting to warm up finally. blowing the pinwheel away. Anyway, next fan. Here's the Tori the Fan Man Lakewood special. This is the Kmart P23 motor and blade and a Lakewood S223 frame. Originally it was a first gen S223, but the motor died and the blade wouldn't work. So I put the blade and motor from a beat up Kmart P23 into it. So that's how this thing came to be. But anyway, here's low. Not as epic of a startup sound as the other Kmart. Wrap it up the medium. And of course, high. So, on to the next one. Here we have a Hunter FZ20 metal bladed Hunter fan. Started on low. Oh, she did not like that. That fan did not enjoy that at all. This one's only a 2-speed. So we'll go up to high. Alright, on to the next one. Here's the second gen Kmart K223, the beater fan. I bought off a scrapper back in 2020. Here is low. This one hasn't ran in quite a while. You can probably tell. I'm gonna go to medium. Yeah, pretty cool started noise. And finally high. On to the next one. Alright, last but not least, the Hoover box fan. Starting with low. Sounds about the same as the Kmart did. And we'll go up to high. Well, that's going to take a little while to get up to speed. Honestly, I think this was the most successful one. Oh, she's going now. She's shaking. Well, there you have it. Box fan cold starts for 2021. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.